Hello students of class 6. Welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for physical science and the chapter that I will continue today is the static and dynamic of fluid, liquid and gases. This is part 4. Okay. In today's video we will talk about the atmospheric pressure. Okay. So what is atmosphere? The envelope of air surrounding us is called the atmosphere. So the atmosphere is also creating some pressure on us. Okay. So how we can manage this? Like it exerts up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by the column of air is known as the atmospheric pressure. So the pressure exerted by the column of air of atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Okay. So here it is the definition of the atmosphere and here it is the definition of the atmospheric pressure. Okay. So now that if we can imagine that a unit area in our head, like if we take one long cylinder on our head and place it, and that is very long and filled with air, then the weight of air belonging to the cylinder shall be the atmospheric pressure. The reasons we are not crushing under the weight of air column, that is the pressure inside our bodies is also equal to the atmospheric pressure. So the pressure inside our body, the pressure inside our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure. That is why we don't crush down on this pressure of the atmosphere. Okay. So inside our body is equal to this atmospheric pressure and it is cancelled the pressure from outside. So why do some passengers suffer from nose bleeding or pressurized aircraft cabins? As the altitude increases, the air pressure decreases around passengers and therefore it can cause nose bleeding. In some cases, since pressure inside the human body becomes more and the atmospheric pressure become less, and that is why due to this high altitude, and that is why the nose can be bled. Okay, this cabin is pressurized but not as much as the sea level. So that is why the common thing is bleeding of the nose in the aircraft when we are traveling by the planes. Okay, so it is not a big issue. So let me discuss about some effects of pressure now. Effects of pressure. Okay. So the first we can give you that the pressure at a point inside the liquid increases with the depth from the free surface of the liquid. So the pressure at a point inside the liquid increases with the depth from the free surface of the liquid. So the pressure will increase as much in this depth of the liquid, okay, rather than this free surface, the upper surface. The secondly, the pressure is same at all points in a horizontal plane at a given depth within a liquid. That means if it is a liquid vessel and here in every point the pressure can be same, but the pressure is more in here than this. Okay. The third, a liquid flows from place of higher pressure to the lower. So the liquid can flow only from the higher pressure to the lower. Okay. And finally, a liquid seeks its own level. Okay. So these are the main effects of the pressure. So in the next video, I will discuss some examples of the effect of the pressure. In this video, we learned about the atmosphere and what is the atmospheric pressure, and also the pressure inside of us can cancel the atmospheric pressure. That is why we can't crush down. And then the effects of pressure, these are very important for the liquids and fluids. That means fluids that can flow. The fluids can be liquid or the air, both. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss more about it. Till then, thank you.